If you want to make the keyboard typing click sound louder on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. And over here you will find a slider for ringtone and alerts. Now if this slider is low, just increase it by dragging it to the right side. Because this slider not only controls the ringtones and alerts volume, it also controls your system volume. Now if you try to type on the keyboard of your iPhone, you will notice that the click sound is louder. But if this did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings, and under the Sounds and Haptics settings, just tap on Headphone Safety. And under Headphone Safety, just enable Reduce Loud Audio. After doing that, just increase this slider by dragging it to the right side. And from here, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just go back, and under the Sounds and Haptics settings, just tap on Haptics. Now if it is on Never, just select Always Play. After that, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just go to Touch, and over here you will find the toggle for vibration. Now just make sure you enable this toggle, and by doing that you will make the keyboard typing click sound louder on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.